Are you looking for easy ways to make money online? Let's introduce you to EarnLab, a dynamic platform that enables you to earn just by completing tasks, using apps, and participating in surveys. With EarnLab, flexibility is a guarantee. You can choose tasks that best suit your schedule and skills. The rewards? They're as diverse as your efforts. From PayPal credits to cryptocurrency and even gift cards, EarnLab gives you a variety of options. Understanding the process of signing up and earning on EarnLab is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Getting started on EarnLab is straightforward and quick. The first step is to create an account. You can do this by providing a valid email address, but if you prefer, you can also sign up using your Google or Steam account. It's all about what works best for you. Once you've chosen your preferred method, follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. If you're signing up with an email address, don't forget to verify it. You'll receive an email with a verification link. Click on it, and you're almost there. The final step is to fill out your profile. This includes basic information like your name and country of residence. And voila, you're ready to start earning on EarnLab. Now let's dive into how you can start earning on EarnLab. Once you've signed up and logged into your account, you'll want to navigate to the Tasks page. This is where the magic happens. The Tasks page is essentially your gateway to earning. Here you'll find a plethora of tasks waiting for you. These tasks could range from participating in surveys, trying out new apps, or even watching videos. The best part? Each task comes with a set number of coins that you can earn upon completion. Imagine this. You're sipping your morning coffee, completing a quick survey, and just like that, you're earning. Or perhaps you're on your lunch break, trying out a new game app, and boom, you're adding to your coin stack. It's as easy as click, complete, and collect. What's more, you have the liberty to choose which tasks you want to complete. Love sharing your opinion? Go for the surveys. Fancy trying out new apps? There's plenty for you to choose from. The freedom is all yours. Now you might be wondering, how much can I actually earn? Well, the sky's the limit. The more tasks you complete, the more coins you earn. It's a simple, straightforward equation. The more you put in, the more you get out. And remember, these coins aren't just digital tokens. They can be exchanged for real-world rewards like PayPal credits, cryptocurrency, or even gift cards. Remember, the more tasks you complete, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. Cashing out your earnings on EarnLab is a breeze. Once you've completed tasks and accumulated enough coins, you have a variety of options to get your hands on your hard-earned rewards. You can exchange these coins for PayPal credits, allowing you to spend your earnings wherever PayPal is accepted. If you're into the crypto space, you can also opt to convert your coins into popular cryptocurrencies. Gift card enthusiasts are not left out either, as EarnLab offers an array of gift cards from popular brands and stores. The icing on the cake is the option for instant withdrawals, giving you immediate access to your earnings. With EarnLab, earning and cashing out is as easy as pie. Now, you're all set to start earning on EarnLab. Remember, getting started is as simple as signing up, participating in tasks, and cashing out your earnings. With EarnLab, you're just a few clicks away from making money online. It's time to take advantage of this opportunity and give EarnLab a try. You've got nothing to lose, and a world of earning potential to gain. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on earning money online. Happy earning!